welcome to Middle Lagoon episode. Yoo-hoo! We're about maybe 15 k's off from the campground, and we have a lot of whoops. This would be a lot of fun on a dirt bike, I reckon.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we'll see you when we're out there and we're all set up. Welcome to the new episode. Yep. Alright, and that's us here set up at Nature's Hideaway, Middle Lagoon. It wasn't that easy.
Yes,
But,
our camp spot was
not marked. So this is Sam's camp.
quite massive.
It's a huge site, and in fact it might even be better than the ridge camps, which are right there, because we can still see the water.
Yeah.
But it was a little bit confusing. It's not signed, so we kind of went back and forth a bit. Bless the guy at the desk, but we worked it out and we're here now.
Yeah.
So James, I had a quick little nap, and James sorted all that out and then brought me ice cream.
Yeah.
So now we're going to the beach. We'll see if we swim or what.
We're going on an adventure.
Pick me up. I forgot how to had it.
Okay. Test in 3, 2, 1. Wonder how cool that looks.
Good morning from Middle Lagoon. Let me go find Chef James over here. Working hard on the cooktop over here. We're just sort of having a slow morning, waiting for the tide to come in just a little bit more. And we're taking
The boat.
the big girl out, wherever she is over here. We're really excited to get her out. We might get to see some whales up close and personal, and we really want fish. I really want fish.
We had fish yesterday, but not from lack of trying. I
Yeah.
was out for a couple of hours yesterday, just off the rocks.
But yeah, for now we're just gotta pack up a little bit of camp at full moon, so awning's a bit wet also, so good time to let that dry out, and yeah, create the pile, unpack the trailer, and we'll be out there in just a couple hours, I reckon. Yoo-hoo. Where? Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh my god, that's a huge shark.
Not yet, not the corner.
Oh. Oh my god, it's coming. Holy fuck. Yeah. Nah, he's still after seeing that guy. What do you reckon for a swim?
Still there.
Holy shit. while our tinny mission wasn't a success, James's trip out onto, what do you call it, Death Island.
Yep, so to swim through chest deep water with
That tigery.
tiger shark water.
But we got cod.
Starting to keep her out there, so
Yeah, that means we get a little nibble
for
now.
steak.
Yeah, surf and turf.
So your thoughts on that cod as appetizer for dinner?
That was so yummy. It really didn't last very long on the plate. I kept trying to give James more because he worked so hard for it. But we shared it.
It was really, really nice.
It was really good cod. Really good fish.
This ain't sunburn, I don't think. This is more just dirt on me. I definitely need to go shower.
But yeah, thank you, Nature's Hideaway. We're not done here yet. Wait till you see the sunset tonight.
Oh yeah, sunset
It's
tonight's
already
going to be
starting.
worth it.
Golden hour's starting. So yeah.
So I'm going to enjoy this. Probably go for a shower soon and dinner. Yep. So another little recap on today as well. So it wouldn't be a Jess and James adventure without some mishaps. So when retrieving the boat, I don't think we got footage of retrieving the boat or launching. Launching, we had to jerk the boat off the trailer due to the tide. I didn't really want to drive the whole car in a metre deep of water just to launch the boat. But on the retrieval, I got myself in between the boat and the trailer, and yeah, took some bark off there. I had a nice lumpy on it before, but yeah, that's all. It's probably going to bruise up nicely on me in the next couple of days. But Jess was pilot at the time of the vessel. What's your thoughts on it?
I'm not happy about it. I've spent the best half of the afternoon crying about the fact that I've hurt you. Like, that was could have been really serious.
Yeah. But still attached.
Yeah.
Still moving. Still walking on it. Doesn't look like it's broken. There's a bit of a dent there, but I had a decent sized lumpy on it for a long time there as well. But yeah.
Alright, thank you, Middle Lagoon.
Thank you so much. Had fish last night as an appetizer and some steak. Watched some whales having some fun this morning as well.
Yeah, I literally woke up, rolled out, and just sat in the rooftop tent just watching whales like 100 metres off the shore.
It was
And then
amazing.
they turned around and came back. But yeah, that was wicked. So 2 nights there, and now we're on to Cygnet Bay. So
Next episode.
yeah, thank you so much for watching this one, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Yoo-hoo!
Hey guys, so sadly this is another end to the video. Make sure this one does get clipped on the end. So Cygnet Bay will not be the next episode. I don't know if there will be a Cygnet Bay episode or not. Probably not. Due to the fact of health takes priority. We don't know what's exactly wrong. Jess has got some aches and pains going on that I want to get checked out by a doctor. So we are turning around
while James runs around and hoses off the car here at Broome, I thought I'd just give a quick little update. Very last end of this episode, Middle Lagoon is pardon me, has dragged out long enough now. We ended up in the hospital. We were at the emergency room department for like 7 hours yesterday, and didn't really get a diagnosis. Did get a reassurance that nothing was terribly wrong. Here he is.
Man on a mission.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. So